Hey guys, what's up? This is Avinash from jvs.com, and today I have a few cables from Initech which is worthwhile of carrying with because I'll show what are the different types of cables which I have over here. Let's go on. The first one is type A to type C USB 2.2 compatibility cable from Initech. So this one is a nylon braided cable, so which is pretty much durable. This one comes in a pair, so you have two cables which you can use. Let me show. So these are the two cables which I have. Both are same, so you have got a pair. This one is nylon braided, so it's pretty good. And then this one is a USB type 2 connector, and you have USB-C connector here. So only thing with these pair is I use it for charging and bit of data transfer. Only thing is the speed at which the data transfer is done would be limited because it's one and is a USB type 2, and it would be limited to type 2 thing. I think it's around 450 Mbps speed, so that's where it will be capped at. So otherwise it's definitely worth to have if you have lots of USB-C type devices, and if you want to connect to USB 2 or USB 3 port. This is compatible with USB 3 ports as well, so it should work well. So another thing is you get a couple of velcro ties, so you can tie them and keep it handy in your backpack so that you can use it whenever you need. So that's with respect to couple of cables. The next which I'm trying to cover is again a USB type C cable, but this one is USB type C 3.1 to USB type 3, so you'll have more speeds in data transfer. So it will go up to few gigabits per second, so that should be really good. Again, this has couple of cables. So if you look at these cables, so it's really good. It's very thick. And it's really good quality cable. So if I compare that with the one which I previously showed, you can see that this cable which I just opened now is a bit thicker compared to the previous one, and the other difference is the colors here. So this one is a USB 2 type port, this one is a USB 3.0 type port, and again we get couple of velcro ties so that you can tie and keep it in your backpack in case you're traveling. The third one which I have and want to show is auxiliary audio cable from Initech. This one is AC0089 audio cable plus splitter cable. They are available individually also if you want to buy just the audio cable extension, or if you want to buy audio Y splitter cable. And what I really like is the quality of these cables. If you look at these, they are kind of gold plated, and they don't reduce the audio quality which I have observed in a couple of other cheap quality or normal quality extend cables or the splitter cables. This one really maintains the quality. This is what I liked. What I use this for is plug this in and divide the output to multiple headphones when I am listening, and plug one end to two headphones, so that helps to if you are sharing audio device with multiple people. So that's why I like this. The other cable is the extension cable, which I use say back of my computer if I have to pull out the audio. So this one helps me, and then I use it with my headphones. So these are the two cables which I really like. I'll leave the links in the description below for all the three part numbers. Say if you want to purchase this or both of them together, and the two types USB type C cables, so it will really help. I would have liked to have one cable which is type C and this type 2, and the other cable in this bundle as type C, so that I can make use of it. But if you want to purchase a couple of cables, similar cables, so if you still have laptops or MacBooks which are USB type 3 or type 2, and you have say newest Android devices which are running USB type C, so this helps out. Or if you want to use these to charge your MacBooks or newest MacBook Pros from a battery pack, so this will still help. So go ahead and definitely go for these cables. They're really good, so it's worth to get them. So that's it from me. I've been using them, so it's really good. Thanks a lot, guys. Peace.